gorgeous, and my beautiful Shana Diamonds, Shana Diamonds, Shana Diamonds, Shana Diamonds, Shana Diamonds, Shana Diamonds, Shana Diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. You guys, I've got such a special unboxing, okay? So I have two things, and I decided I'm going to go ahead and unbox them both for you guys today. So the first thing is super duper special to Diamond. Well, actually, they both are, okay? Let's get it real. But this is so super duper because it is handmade. It's made with love. It is just an amazing thing. So I reached out to Nail Cover Lover. That's right, you guys. That's who she is. No, I don't have no makeup on. I'm sorry, you guys. But I'm going to do some microneedling. So I'm not wearing no makeup. Get over it. But anyway, Nail Cover Lover. She made a special mat with my logo for me. And she worked super hard on it. It turned out gorgeous, might I say. And I think y'all should look her up because she's amazing. She's on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm sure Facebook too. But it's Nail Cover Lover, okay? So she sent me this card. She said, "Hello, hey love. Here is your mat. I so hope you enjoy it. I want to thank you for supporting a small business. A small business." What is it? It's in this fancy writing, so I'm trying to figure out what it says. A small business in need, maybe? That's what it looks like, guys. A small business in need. If you have any questions, please contact me via any of the platforms. Thank you again. Thank you, Nail Cover Lover. Thank you, girl. So this is how it comes, and it was in a box very nicely like this. This was in here with it, and then she gives you this cute, adorable bag inside, and it was wrapped like this, you guys. So flipping cute, with her little Nail Cover Lover, her own logo. So I thought that was super, super touchful. I loved it so very much. And let's reveal Diamond's new logo and new mat to do her reviewing and everything else on. I am stoked. Check it out, guys. There it is. Oh my God, Becky. I'm sorry y'all can see my ring light because my phone is in the ring light. I wish I could get that out for you guys. But check that out. It is adorable, and it's pretty darn big. You see how long it is. It goes from here to here, and then all the way down here to here. So it's a super duper, it's amazing. And we played with pink and purple, because y'all know that's my favorite colors. But guys, the blue and the diamond just stole my heart. And since I have a black desk, I am going, and it's very durable, you guys. Super duper made. Yeah, I really like it. And you could clean it off and everything. And I just thought, oh my God, it's time to have my own personalized logo on my desk, okay? And that's what she did for us, okay? Because I've been using this Rebel Nail, which I do love their powders, but come on, let's advertise for Diamond. And I've been using this flower mat, okay, that I just bought at a dollar store. Now, if you're wondering how much they cost, they're $30, but it includes your shipping and handling. It includes everything for you, okay? Everything that she does, and that's amazing for $30. And she takes the time to create whatever it is you might want created, okay? So I love this so much. So it's sitting on my black desk. Oh my God, Becky, and it looks so freaking amazing. Let me just move my camera really quick and show you guys. I have to. I just absolutely freaking have to. So, can you see? Let me do this. There we go. Check it out on my desk. I am so sorry about the stupid ring light. Let me just see if I can move that just long enough for y'all to really get the full effect of this thing. Okay. Now, that's a little better. But check out how it looks on my desk. with the black in the back. I was hoping that she could have made the matte black. Like, you know, that was the only thing that I would have done differently. But I still love it just the way it is. But, yeah, the only thing Diamond would have done any different would have been to make this whole matte black so that it really popped and popped. You know what I'm saying? But it still is just gorgeous. Thank you, nail cover lovers, so much. Okay, thank you so much. So that is my new logo, guys. And let's get back to our ring light. Like, just putting my camera in it is so much easier for Diamond. So there we have it. Okay, guys, I'm back. So now the next thing I want to unbox is a kit that was sent to me again from Aubss Poly Nail Gel. You know that I fell in love with their presentations. Just so yummy, okay? So yummy dummy. But there's a special thing about this kit, you guys. Y'all know I did these. I'm going to show you. I just did these. If you haven't seen the video, check it out. Check it out. Handy Diamond is still sporting her polygel nails from Aubss, okay? And the colors, oh my God, they're to die for. And I did 2 in matte and 2 in gloss. So this kit come with a matte and a gloss. Let's see what this one comes with. But this one is polygel with glitter. It's glitter polygel, guys. 7 colors of glitter. We're going to do all 7. In fact, I'm going to do the whole hand, which will be 5. And then somehow go ahead and like take 2 off and put 2 more on. Because I want to see all of these glitters. But I did the unboxing in the last video inside the video. This time I didn't want to do that. I was trying to hold the, you know, camera and just show y'all it on my desk. So I thought since I had to, you know, I'm not had to, but wanted to show this amazing logo mat that Nail Cover Lover made me. I thought, let's go ahead and unbox the Aubss kit, okay? So it comes again with this. So, I mean, it's just the detail, like I said, it's amazing. I love it so much. So, yes. So, we got 7 colors in here, guys. Now, granted, I don't think y'all will be able to really tell that that's one of the colors. I'm not quite sure. I think that's the diamondy one, okay? So I did get these open. Let me get something to just wipe as we go because I didn't want it to just like stick all in my lids, which it's probably already doing because your girl couldn't wait to see them, okay? But anyway, you'll see it on the nails. But that's like the diamondy color one, I think. There's 7 of them, okay, guys? And then this one, and it doesn't have nothing but numbers, but this one is like a gold. Look at that. I'm so excited to do this, Aubss. Thank you so freaking much. Thank you. Yeah, she is very sweet. She is darling. And we're going to do another video for her because, honey, I am here for her. I am here for Aubss, okay? Yeah. And so, and I'm having fun actually doing nails again, which is great. And this is a purple glitter or blue. So it's going to be so friggin' pretty, you guys. They're all just going to be so pretty. I will swatch them out, but more than likely I'll just do them with y'all, okay? And then this one is a, oh my God, pink. Oh, y'all know how I feel about it. Y'all friggin' know. And glitter. Oh my God, Becky. I'm friggin' here for this. This is more like a rose gold, I want to say. No, it's a pink, I think, guys. Very pretty, though. So I'm trying to, like, take this stuff off of it. Because it's, like, come out. But so pretty, guys. So pretty. Okay, and then we've got 3 more colors. And that's it for this video. I got a green. Another one of those greens that are so popping. Oh, my God, a bucket. I'm so excited for this green. And it is glitter. All of them are glitter, y'all. Y'all know. Y'all flipping know. And then this one is another blue. So pretty, guys. They're all so freaking pretty. So I can't wait. I'm here for this. I'm going to try to do this weekend for you guys. Because I'm trying to do microneedling on my arms. That's right. I found out I could do my arms. And I'm doing them. Here's a purple it looks like. I want to say, but in the light it doesn't look that way because the glitter's showing, but it's so friggin' pretty, you guys. So you guys, that's what's in this. That is the 7 glitters. And then you get your file, okay? And then look inside. So packaged beautifully. Just gorgeous, Aubss, gorgeous. So again, you're going to get a matte. So you actually could do the matte with the glitter, guys. So you get a matte, and you're going to get a base, and you're going to get a gloss. And you get slip solution, you get a pusher, and you get your little pen, you know, to apply the polygel, and of course some more nail forms, okay? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this. So that's all I really wanted to do with this video. I just wanted to bring y'all here and yes, and just show y'all what Aubss sent your girl and sent us to check out. And the kits are so affordable, you guys, on Amazon. So I will leave the link when I do the video. I may even put it in this just for y'all, just so that you have the link too. But guys, packaged gorgeously. It's just a gorgeous, well-rounded kit that you have everything you need to do a nice set of nails. All you need to add is an LED lamp, guys. That's it. But that's how it's packaged. Just double layered. So gorgeously done. Again, Aubss, thank you so much for your generosity. So that is sponsored by Aubss. They actually sent me this without ordering it, okay? So it is sponsored. Thank you so much, honey. And then, again, here was the other colors, guys. So gorgeous. And, oh my God, Becky, what can I flip and say about this? Nail cover lover, you killed it. Like I said, the only thing I'd have changed would have been to make this black. But other than that, you killed it. I love it. It doesn't matter. It looks black on my desk because my desk is black. So it works. And I just love having my own logo, guys, instead of, you know, like flowers or some cheapy chintzy stuff. It's so worth them 30 bucks, okay? I will leave her information below. Check her out, you guys. You're going to love it. Tell her what you want, and she will whip up some ideas, honey, and then you can pick from them, okay? That's how that works, ladies. That's how that works. So, you guys, I'm going to have my hair slicked back. We are going to do some microneedling later, and I'll probably go ahead and just push this video out really quick today. And then I'll do my microneedling. I wanted it to be for yesterday, but I'm behind. I wasn't feeling good for a couple of days now. But I just started feeling a little better, and so I'm here for this. I'm here for the day. So, you guys, I'm going to try to get some microneedling done tonight. But either way, I'll have more videos coming, probably another one Friday, whether it be the polygel nail kit, not Friday, Saturday. And then another one like Monday or Tuesday. And then Tuesday, we got our giveaway. Y'all don't forget about the giveaway, okay? Get in it to win it. I'm giving away another beautiful 1-ounce bottle of the vitamin E, B, C, and Folic and Retinol Serum from Potent Lift, okay? That's another sponsorship. Y'all get on it. Man, get in it to win it. Guys, you can win it for your girlfriend, or you can even use it. So it's not just a lady skincare line. This is made for women or men, honey. Y'all got to take care of your skin, too. And if you don't want to do that, hey, give it to your girlfriend for Christmas. Get in it. Oh, my God. The rules are in the description box. I love y'all, my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds. Thank you, Aubss, and thank you, nail cover lover. I love you both. And I love all my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds. And I'll see y'all in our next video.